Start. Now what I want you to do for me is that please, okay, it doesn't matter. We are going to generate reports. So whether, but I want us to reverse. How do we go back to 2500? You know how it is done. Go to settings here, right click on your drawing, then change it from 100 to 2500. Oh, to 2500 again. What is happening? Good. Then everything will be reverted to normal, but you will see that your sections looks abnormal in plan. Everything will be basa, but when you go to the sheet, everything is correct. Are you okay? So don't worry about how it looks like here. When I go here, you see that everything is nyama. Everything looks basa, but don't worry, it is there. When you go to the sheet, or if you want to see it, just change the plan scale back to 100, and you see it very well. Or when you go to the sheet, everything will be there nicely there for you. Are we okay? So we are going to generate our earthwork volumes. Very, very simple. It's just a matter of clicks. I think let's first generate our... Okay, let's generate the earthwork. That one will take some time. The setting out, that one is simple, quite simple. Now I want to generate our earthworks. Are we okay? Now, to generate your earthworks, do you see analysis? One of the tabs is called analyze. Do you see one of the tabs is called analyze? When you click on it, can you see something called compute materials? Depending on your ribbon, you may see something like a tipper truck and a calculator by it. Do you see compute materials? Please, do you see compute materials? Yes. Under analyze, you see compute materials somewhere. If you don't have a sample line, you cannot do what we are doing. No. Do you see compute materials? Amma? Oh, please go to analyze and look up. Look on the screen. You see where my cursor is. If you can't see the text, look at this for this image. A tipper truck with a compute calculator by it. Oh, go to analyze. Somewhere here at the top here. Just look at where my cursor is and you'll be there. Yes, compute materials. Yes, so click on it. So click on it and this will come. Please, do you have something like this? So the alignment and the sample line, I see sample line is also needed here. So okay, please, have you selected okay? If you select okay, something like this will come. Please, something like this will come. Do you have it here? Please, do you have it here? Okay, then do you see quantity takeoff criteria? What is there? We are going to edit it. So click on this. Please watch. Click on this. Edit current selection. Do you have something like this? Information. Then go to material list. So we are here. Now, this second one, pavement structure, please delete it. The pavement structure, delete it. You'll be left with only ground removed. If you want to delete, please watch how I delete. You click, then you X, the red X, and to delete. Please, any problem? Okay. Now I want you to expand the ground removed. Expand and you have something like this. Do you have something like this? Please, do you have something like this? Now I want you to delete the surfaces that are there. These are not the surfaces that we are using. This is based on the template. So remove the 0 to 30 DGM. You also use the same button to delete. The top also delete. You are left with only ground removed. Do you have it? Now I want us to change the text ground removed to cut and fill to finish. Just type cut and fill to finished or finished level. Cut and fill to finished level. Please, are we okay? Then if you are okay, please look at this one. Please look up here. The data type we are going to use is surface. And the select surface that we are going to use first. Remember the surface we created, DTM or EGL. Please look up under select surface. Mine is called DTM. I don't know the name of yours. So I select, then I add. Please, do you understand? Then you come again and select the corridor surface, the top one. Mine is called ACC Kumasi Road Corridor 1. So I select that one also and add. So you should have two surfaces, DTM and the Accra Kumasi. Please, do we all have it? Then now we see the surface. We are going to compare two surfaces. By default, the existing ground is at the base, and the new surface will be the one we are going to compare. So leave the condition, the DTM, leave it at base. Then the Accra Kumasi, change that one to compare. Look how I change it. See, please see, click on base to change it to compare, and you have something like this. Please, are we finished? Good. So we have the whatever. Now this is what we also want to do. Maybe we also want to find out, apart from the total cut and fill, what is the volume of base? What is the volume of sub base? Please, are we okay? So we also want to generate that one, add it to it. So please click on this. I'll do one. Please watch how I do one. Then I'll do another one. They will all observe. So I'm going to create the first one for base. So I click on add new material. Watch, oh, please watch. You don't do anything, just watch. And I give it a name, base. I give it a name, base. Then the quantity type, I change it from cut to structures. Are you watching? Then the data type, no, this one is not a surface, but rather it's a corridor shape. So corridor shape. And the select corridor shape, I'll go and select what? Base. Then I add. So I'm going to do the same thing for sub base. Then you can try. Add new material. Collect this one. Sub base. Sub base. I call it sub base. Quantity type, I change from cut to structures. Then the data type, it should be at corridor shape. Then select corridor shape, I select sub base and I add. So at the end I should have cut and fill to finish, base and sub base. Please, do you all have something like this? Oh, but I said the second one, let's do it. Okay, then try it. If you are finished watching, then do it. Let's hurry up. Hey, this 3:15 matter. Please, have you been able to do it? Okay, you let me delete the sub base and do it again as you watch. I said add new material. I'll call it sub base. Then I change the quantity type from cut to structures. Then the defined material, the data type should be corridor shape. Select corridor shape, I go and select sub base and add. This is what I want. Please, Dominic, successful. Define what? Successful. Where are you? Yes, corridor shape. Then the corridor shape you are going to use is base. You remember the corridor that we have created, there's a base in it and sub base. If it does not exist in the corridor, you can't see it here. Have you been able to do it? Please, have you been able to do it? Please, have you been able to do it? If you have been able to do one, it's enough. The same principle can be done for the rest. But at least we all have cut and fill to finish level, don't we? Okay. So if we have it, we'll press OK. And it will bring us back here. Please, are we back here? Please watch. Please, are we back here? Yes. If you are back here, please watch where I'm going to click. Click on this button, map object with same name. And everything should change. If something is still at none, then there's a problem somewhere. Did all change? Please, did all change? Then you just go click OK and come back here. Don't worry, you've done one. You understand? And come here and come and click map object with the same name. Has it changed? So that's what I want. So if it has changed, please press OK. Then it has computed the volume for us. Press OK and it will compute the volume for you, but you will not see it till you tell it to report it. So depending on the length of road and the size of your machine and the speed of your machine, it may take some time. Please, who is successful? Who was successful? Successful? Oh, press OK. No, nothing will appear, but when you press OK, did you see something happening? Did it take a while? So it has computed. Please, it has computed for us. Dominic, successful? Please, those in front. Successful? The man in the middle. Front middle. Successful? Yes, it will not see anything, but it has computed. That's why I said, depending on the length of your road and the speed, it may take a while, but if your machine is very fast, you may not see anything happening. But once you know you are on the correct path, it has computed for us. Now we are going to generate a report. Please, are we okay? Now on the left of compute material, do you see volume report? Yes. So click on volume report. Have you clicked on volume report? When you click, you see report quantity, something like this will come. Then please watch where I'm going to click. Now you make sure you define whatever you are going, you define them appropriately. For the same alignment and sample, I may have different material lists. What we are doing is material list 1. Then please look at here, select a style sheet, this button, click on it and change it to select material. Please, are we all here? Please. Those in front. Select material and press open. Have you done it? Please, have you done it?
Yes.
Then you press OK. You press OK. Depending on your default browser, it may open in Chrome or Explorer. So something will come. Do you have something like this? Do you want to allow script to run? Yes. So yes, and to run. Has it come? Depending on the speed of your machine. Don't worry. Mine say you are not. But I see earthwork is here. See, earthwork report. It is there. Do you have it? Please, who was not successful? It's loading. Has your browser opened? When you press OK, the browser should open. It could be Internet Explorer or Chrome, depending on your default browser. Has it opened? But if you go to maybe 2 buttons, one is earthwork report. Has it come? Okay. Please, has it come? Who has it? Okay, you all have it. So please, maybe you made a mistake somewhere. Just go back and repeat and do the right thing. Please, do we have this? So once you have this, you can copy this to Excel, can't you? You can copy it to Excel, and then that one is not AutoCAD CV3. Just select and Control All. Then you Control C and you open a new Excel sheet and you paste and you do the necessary arrangement. Please, are we okay? So I come here, then you come and paste. Then you do the necessary. That one is Excel. Please, are we okay?
Yes.
So we can end that one. So we have created our volume report. We have finished with our volume report. Now we are going to generate our setting out information. Please, are we okay? Were you successful? Did the report come? No. It loaded. Why? Go to volume report. And I said change this one to earthworks. Earthworks, F2. I said select material. Then okay. You patiently wait for it. It's still waiting. You patiently wait for it. Yes. So has it come now?
Yes.
Okay, when I finish. Please, we are going to do the last thing, then we finish. Okay. So now we are going to generate our report, setting out. There are different types of report. I'll just do one, but you have to explore. Please, let's all go to toolbox. Let's all go to toolbox. Are we at toolbox? Can you see reports manager? click on the plus. You see, you can generate report for alignment, corridor, whatever. We are going to generate yes, 2 box, 2 space. Okay. The last button is 2 box. Okay. Now the report manager, we are going to create report for corridor. Okay. So open corridor, the plus before corridor. Okay. Then there are different types of report we can create for corridor. But this one I'm going to use feature line reports. Okay. So double click on that one, feature line reports. Double click and something will open for you. Has something open for you? Yes. Has something open for you? Yes. Then you select your corridor name. My corridor name is Accra Kumasi Road Corridor. Have you selected it? Yes. Then the alignment automatically comes. Then please watch, change this one to corridor lengths. Instead of corridor points, change it to corridor lengths. Look up at what I've done. Look up, please. If you are in doubt, look at where I've clicked. Instead of point, use lengths. Please, have we been able to do it? Successful? Yes. Okay. Then please, we are going to specify the length that we are going to use. Are we okay? Yes. Which of the lengths? Please watch, look up. All of them have been turned on. If you want to use all of them, fine. But I only want to use the top. I'm going to set out the top and everything is an offset down. Please, are we okay? So I will turn everything off by clicking on this button. Then go and select only top. Are you okay? Select only top. When I'm through, I come and click here. Save report to. I'm going to save it as an Excel file. You don't have what? Top. Scroll down and you see it. Please look at this place, this button here. Can you see the like a browser button? You click on it. And you go and tell what the file name should be. Then the save as type. This one, I want it to be an Excel file. It can be a text or whatever. I want it to be an Excel file. And the name, I'll leave it as Civil Report Excel. Are you okay? When you finish, you press save. If you press on save, some of yours may happen, others may not happen. When you are through, you press create report. When you are through, press create report. And see whether it will work. You see that creating report will, okay, mine also, there's a drop somewhere. Please, can I continue? Whose own was successful? It came. Okay, mine, there's a drop in the alignment, so it is not working. If there's a drop in alignment, it will not work. It will not work. So how do I know if there's a drop in the alignment? So I go to done and check my profile. Is my profile starting from the beginning and ending at the end? Let me see. Let me look at this in 2D and see. There's a drop somewhere. You see, I said it. There's a drop at the end there. So I click and move it back. So this part, if you have that problem, when you watch the video, you should be able to correct it. So I've now corrected it. So there's no drop now. I go back to plan or top. Then go and repeat what I have just done. Some of you can be exploring. You can try alignment, creating report for alignment. I mean, very simple. Then feature line report. I use corridor links. I'm using Accra Kumasi. Everything off and top. Then I specify it's Excel, Accra, this. Then create report. If it's successful, an Excel file will pop up. So let's patiently wait. So mine is successful this time. So if you go and you're having challenges, then how I've done the correction, you apply the same principle to correct it. Please, are we okay? Yes. So now I have it done. I have the stations and the point, the edge of travel at negative 3.65. This is the elevation. This is the slope. This is the eastern, this is the northern. All the informations are here. If you need some, or if you don't need some, you can delete what you don't need. Please, are we okay? Please, are we okay?
Yes.
Good, good, good. So if you're okay, just press done. In the same vein, If you want to create a report for alignment, let's say you want incremental stationing, you want to have the report on the alignment at intervals of, let's say, 25, incremental stationing report. You double click on it and you specify the alignment you want to work with. So you specify your alignment. Let's assume that I want to report on all the alignment. So this one also, you specify the interval, let's say 25. Then you specify where you want to save the file name and the save as type. But this one, let's assume that I want to just view it in our browser. So you just press create report, and it will create it in it is asking me, okay, I want it in Edge or Microsoft Explorer. So it is open for me. Please, have you seen it? So you can just explore. There's the incremental at 25, so at 0 there's the northern, there's the eastern. Everything is created for me. I can also, in the same vein, do the same thing for profile alignment. You also have that also for profile, the same principle. Please, are we okay? So I think on this note, we are successful. If there is any problem, you can call me. So my number, I want to add my number to the video. You let me, I've not finished. You let me, you wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. You put it down.
I don't have it.
If you go and you have a problem, if you have a problem, please, if you have a problem, you can call. Are you okay? You can call or you can invite me. Then we see how best we can, because there's more to this. This is just class 1, but we should not end at class 1. And I'm sure that as you are going to your institution, it's expected that the knowledge that has been imparted into you, you go and do or teach others. So my number, you can write it 026, very simple number, 026 411 026 411 3784 3784. Yes. Then you can also, and also another number, MTN number 0244 11 3784. Yeah, so both numbers are on WhatsApp, so you can also send a message. But I may not know who, unless you, give a background of who is calling or who is sending a message. And if you call and it doesn't come through, maybe I'll be busy doing something, so you call later. Please, are we okay? Okay, so on this note, are you calling? The phones are okay. So on this note, I think we'll end our lecture here, and I think it has been a successful training program. So thank you very much.